Always great to see you. Thank you very much for joining us. Is Tesla a stock that interests you these days?
Yeah, Andy, so thanks for having me. We are very interested in Tesla here, and we're mainly interested in the robotaxi opportunity that we think is going to play out over the next 12 months. As you pointed out, the sales figures came out very disappointing this morning. And these sales figures really reflect a lot of pressures that the company is facing today, both on the branding side as well as the model changeover to the Model Y. So this is why the sales figures today are coming out pretty weak. But as we look into the next year, I think the big opportunity is going to be on robotaxis. So I think robotaxis are positioned very well, especially in light of this tariff news and people being focused on affordability rather than brand preference.
It's interesting. Tesla is up over 40% in the past year. I know it has been under severe pressure lately. I saw that chart. I didn't realize it was still up over 12 months. It's down almost, as of today, it was down almost 40% this year. Why will robotaxis, why does Tesla have great potential in robotaxis? Because there's lots of players in this market.
Well, Andy, they are really the only ones that are investing heavily in NVIDIA GPUs, and they've built a cluster in order to be able to train their vehicles to have significantly better safety statistics than they were before. So they're really the only game in town here when it comes to robotaxis, once you start seeing the data in terms of safety stats. So that's really they have a very unique positioning here, and with regulatory support, we believe they're going to be able to roll this out much quicker than they otherwise would have. And you're spot on. Even though the company has suffered this year, and we highlighted some of these pressures, we talked about the brand effect and all that, I think the opportunity as you look out over the next 12 months is going to be pretty significant.
What about Elon Musk being outspoken, commenting on European politics and at the center of President Trump's expense-cutting drive in the US? Should he pull back a bit from that public exposure?
Well, I think the interesting thing here is going to be that the narrative is going to shift from autos being a consumer branded purchase to them being something that will take you from point A to point B. And in that case, Elon's positioning in the media or in the government will be a lot less relevant. What is going to be very relevant is the regulatory framework for allowing these robotaxis to be on the roads. So this is why we think actually this is more of a win than a lose for the company.
Sorry, what's more of a win? Ivana, give us that again.
The fact that there will be more regulatory support for autonomous vehicles to be on the roads. So thus far, it's really all been up to the states, whether they allow it, and even cities, whether they allow a robotaxi on the road. If there is a federal regulation, that would be a pretty significant positive for the stock, because it would allow the company to quickly scale up from few 100,000 vehicles to millions of vehicles.
And I guess your thesis there would be, even if states and cities object, the federal backing would be a powerful force.
Absolutely.
So what would the idea be here? If robotaxis are super popular, it's likely to lead to just more sales of Teslas.
That's right, Andy. And the way to do the math here would be to just price in how much would a trip cost, and then how many vehicles do you think there would be in use, and you would get to, even with few 100,000 vehicles on the road, would be 10 to 20 billion opportunity for Tesla, and 1 million vehicles on the road, which today our sales are about 16 to 17 million. So it's not like an outlandish forecast. That would get you to 100 to 200 billion of incremental revenue for the company. So this is why everybody's so excited about this. I mean, there's still a lot of milestones that they need to